Dear all, I wanted to give you a small presentation on how to post the activities into the forum. First of all, we need to go to our course from our email, the link that is given. Go to the course, then you'll find your name. Go click on my courses, click on cohort 2, then scroll down. You have all these activities that are given, all the pre-activities that were told us to complete. Here pre-training activities, meet and greet your peers, all this we need to do. Then come down under day 1 blended learning, you have the activities. First of all, to post your BL course design template, you need to meet and greet your peers. It is shown here. Click on that and you say hi to your peers, type that and post it. Then come back and click on blended learning course design template. Under this assessments, you need to click on, and this window opens. Under this, you come here, click on reply. It opens here. Now go to advanced. Here already it is said share your BL course design. Always better to put your name. So I put my name, and here once again you can say your BL course design and put your subject. Then always remember to put the date. I put today's date because every day we are going to post the BL course design template into the forum, the updated one. So that's why better to put every day the date. So scroll down, click on files, and your BL course design template file must be either on your desktop or your drive. So click on choose file. Here I am trying to post the one I have done already. So there also, when you save it, better you put the date so that it's clear for you what is you are adding to it every day. So open it, and now put the name. This is the course template you are putting here. Then your name comes here. Now say click on upload this file, and your file has come here. Now you find here post to forum. So you have 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes. So there is a possibility. Once again, if you want to add to it anything or you want to edit it, you can do it. So now already you have posted. So it should appear here. When anybody clicks on this, it should open your BL course. So in this way, you have to post it every day. And you can look at others. You can click on to the others and you can reply. You can look at others course design templates and you can give your own review on that. You need to do peer review on it. So in this way, not only BL course design template, you have any activity that is given to you to post it on each day, you need to post in this way. Always you need to go to the under assessment, you have the activity, click on that and it opens, and you do this the way that I have shown you. Thank you.